So, hello everybody and welcome back to Rimworld. Our poor slaves is doing the best to carve out this area so we can get a stockpile. Little do they know that there's many dangers out there and they should be careful. This pig have chosen to live. I'm not sure that I like that. I'm not sure whether I should or shouldn't like it. For now, we'll actually start out pretty quick by building a stockpile zone for this. Because the holders need something to do. Structure, we will choose to use slate blocks for now. We're shown to be better. Sandstone, nice and all, but not really. So there is some slate here and some sandstone there and stuff. Maybe we should make a woodcutter's hut down here. These guys ain't happy for doing anything, so we should maybe consider doing it. Also, this is a really nice mountain, and I really think that we can get a lot out of it if we just think about what we're doing. So for some reason, Catherine did not choose to sleep. And nobody really knows why. Can I ask you to equip this weapon? What? Is this a one of the new mods? This is one of the new mods. Okay. So it also pauses the game. Okay, so you can is it the rules here? Rule A: if the player researches all the text of the tech level X and below the tech level rises to X plus 1 as default. Okay, rule B: if the player researches more than 50% of the text, the tech level Y, and below the tech level rises to Y default. I think that you say that you work 8 hours a day. So this includes you guys, but not really. You should have this, so it becomes like this, right? This is your 8-hour day in 9-hour periods, because we don't have time for this, guys. Okay, and the next thing that we want to do, this is limestone and this is sandstone. Can I find a sandstone wall somewhere, or should I just straight up delete all sandstone and never speak of it again? There's some sandstone here. Go in and say that you should deconstruct it and everything should be fine. Let's see them run down and deconstruct all the things. Also, it should be said that maybe not necessary to say. So what can you stockpile in a stockpiling zone? Meant for different things. I'm not sure. Are we there? Are we there where we should start killing this monster? Because people need food, and come on, man. We need to attack turkey. Come on, kill the turkey. There we go. Ah. Hello, can't you go away just for a second? Furniture, beds, slates. There. I screwed up, didn't I? Can I ask you to work on this blueprint? Okay. But you are dead, right? Draft, go down there now. Area revealed? What? Where? Jump to location. There's no revealed areas. Kill that turkey. There we go. You're not drafted anymore. Prioritize all the turkey. Or maybe visitors. Was that the new thing? The visitors. Okay, so who are you? Hello, Gamiza. You're a guest, and we will try to recruit you. Because that's nice to do. Come on. You're really so bad at doing things. Character. You have 2 construction skills and you're not able to fix yourself. Bills. Make a simple meal. Do until you have 10. Thank you. How much do you have in construction? I also have 2. They are bad at construction. No, why? You're constructing your own death bed. What happened? I think that the game saved or something. Can I can I speak with you just for a second? Also, who are good at social? You're good at social and you're one at social. Okay. So you should be doing this. He's doing something else. Noise. So, what do you have? You are not interested in anything that I have, but you have a cavalry helmet and survival mules. And since we are interested in your survival meals, maybe we should consider giving you some survival meals. But we don't have any silver. We don't have any silver. Why do we not have any silvers? It's because all our silver have been laying here. Catherine, you're making that simple meal. If you fail now, I'll kill you. Hospitalized, rest until healed. What? You're not able to... Is that because now you are enemies? They're not enemies. They don't have any problem with each other. But Gonzona. What? There must be a reason for that, but it doesn't matter. You have to treat the girl. It have to be quick. It have to be now. You have severe pain, and the turkey hit you many places, and the bullets also hit you some places. So it's gonna be interesting. Will she survive? Of course she will. Patch. Crash wheel. No, we will not call it crash wheel. What should we call it? It is Elizabeth. And since you've been here for a while, you should give you community name. Called the untakers. I don't know why, but they are untakers. Did you just buy all our food? Maybe that was a stupid idea. You're not allowed to put your dirty money anywhere anymore. Hold the silver. It's important. Hold the silver. What is this? Visitor flag. Nice. What are you doing? She's checking out the woods. And now she's cloud watching. Nice. But still, all the silver. It's fine that they are allowed to buy some of the things in the area if they want to, but not really. You're getting better. I thought that I heard a voice. Age for harvest. Yeah. There we go. Should be a zone or stockpile zone, anything here like this maybe. Boom. You did harvest it, didn't you? Yes, you did. You still harvesting everything, or how's that? I think that I remember somebody good at growing. You're growing 5. I'm growing 3. So we have to be quick about this. Come on, man. I think that what I want is to say that. Let me see. So this is 1, 2, 3, right? And there. So we can have a small butcher table down here. And mad animal. Jump to location of the mad animal. O for haunts. You have a gun. Catherine. I don't care what are you doing. You're dragging slate. I don't care. Equip this survival rifle now. And no matter what happens, attack. here now. Fire squirrel. There we go. You're gonna haul it. Yes, you are. Ah, furniture. Bed. But another bed. This has to be quick. But we will see how she ends up in the next episode, because that's all we have time for now. I hope you have a really great day. The scroll is being chopped up, and until we see each other next time.